Hi guys, welcome back. So ito na yung ating haul. First up is Walmart. This M&M's is $1.98. I bought a couple of those. And then this 1 pound Reese's Santa Claus chocolate is for $5.99. Bumili din ako ng candy canes for $1.99. So I got 2 Reese's. Some sparklers for $1.35. This is not on sale. At syempre lumpia wrapper. So I bought a couple of the M&M. A total of 6 M&M's boxes. Meron din akong nabiling Belgian chocolate letters. This is $1.49 each. At bumili ako ng 4 niyan. Next is this $8.49 Nougat chocolate from Metro. Wala actually masyadong sales sa Metro. This Kinder Bueno is $4.99 and yung Lindor is $9.49. Our last stop is Shoppers, kung saan kami nakapamili talaga ng indiscounted for Boxing Day. This Olay with bag, original price is $20. Value price of all products inside is somewhere $35 but was only selling for $8.79. Next is this Nivea Men gift set for $7.99. 3 products na yan. This one is for my husband. Naghahanap lang siya ng facial wash. Pero sabi ko ito na ang bilhin niya, mas sulit. Next is the Aveeno. This set of 3 products is only for $7.99. Just for information, yung lotion niya is travel size only. This set of mask is for $5.19. Original price is $13. At itong Mani and Pedi set naman is for $3.99. We will keep this para pang regalo anytime na mayroon lang bigla ang birthday na pupuntahan. At least we have something to pull out. I bought 3 of these. So these are my haul. And then last, this is second to the last. This is $7.99 big boxes of chocolate. Assorted chocolate. Meron din kami nakitang nakasale na frozen meal for $2.99 and I grabbed 3 of those. Yan lang.